Right now, dream nostalgia videos are getting millions of views on TikTok. Just take a look at this channel. They've grown to over 237,000 followers by posting this exact type of content. And the craziest part? Almost every video on the page is pulling in millions of views. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create these videos yourself. And honestly, it's way easier than you might think. Here's a video I made in less than 2 minutes. Check this out. Now, to create videos like these, open the master prompt from the description below and copy the entire prompt. Next, open ChatGPT, paste the prompt right here and hit run. After a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate 10 different video ideas for you. If you like one of them, just choose the number and continue. And if none of them stand out, simply type more to get a completely new set of ideas. For this example, I'm going to select number 7. Now hit run again, and ChatGPT will generate both the image prompt and the video prompt for that idea. Next, copy the image prompt, then head over to the Flow website. Set your aspect ratio, select Nano Banana Pro as the model, paste the prompt, and hit run. Within a few seconds, Flow will generate the image for you. And just look at this result. The quality is honestly impressive. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt, and return to Flow. This time, select the video option, choose your aspect ratio and frame settings, upload the image, paste the prompt, and hit run. After a short wait, Flow will generate the video as well. And here's the result. Looks pretty amazing, right? Now you can repeat this process with as many ideas as you want. In fact, I use this exact method to create several more videos. Take a look at these. And before you go, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next viral AI niche video. All right, I'll see you in the next one.